Finally, the stress of running up and down when I want to blend my items has finally come to an end. Guys, I'm so happy today because I finally got my new blender. Yes, guys, the stress of wanting to do some certain things and you're thinking how you're going to go to the market to get your items ready. My other blender, let me not call the name of the blender, really stressed me out. And since then, I've been finding it difficult to, do some certain things. But today, I wanted to make jollof rice and stew for the family. So I went to the slaughter to get some meat. And I told my hubby that, babe, please, I need to get blender. I said, okay, let's just go and check it out. So there's this particular blender that I've been seeing a lot of video review on. It's okay. Let me give it a try. Let me see if this one will last and I will get to enjoy it. So guys, join me as I unbox my blender. Before we do so, if it's your first time of tuning in into my channel, into this beautiful channel, yes, you are very much welcome to NG's TV. Yes, NG's TV. Yeah, we have a lot of fun, a lot of things happening in here, family talks, relationship, education, daily life, vibes upon vibes. Yes, and thank you to our amazing subscribers for always liking, watching, and sharing my video. You guys are the real VIP, yeah. So God bless you guys for me. Thank you very much. I don't take you guys for granted. And thank you once again. Not too long last week, we got to that milestone of 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys. I can't do this without you guys. And thank you for loving me. Thank you for all your support. And I don't take it for granted. So join me. Let's unpause my new blender. And guess the name. Kenwood Blender. Can you see it? Yes, Kenwood Blender. So, about this particular blender, I've been seeing videos, a lot of people commenting, oh, they've used this blender for 5 years, 4 years, and it's strong, and they don't regret getting it. So I said, okay, I've been trying other blenders. Let me just give this particular blender a try and see how solid and if I'll enjoy it. And the good part of this blender is that I can do a lot of stuff with this Kenwood blender. Kenwood commercial grinder blender. I can blend my dry items if I want to make soup and pepper soup, because yes, I love taking pepper soup, and at times I find it difficult to grind those hard seed. If you are a love of pepper soup and you do blend your own by yourself, you don't buy the already blended one, you know what I'm talking about, those hard seed. So yes, I'm free from that stress now, and I'm free from the stress of going to the market every time to blend. For personal hygiene, sometimes I don't like how we do that stuff here. So finally, all those things have come to an end. So right away, let's unbox this our new blender. Yes, so our new blender. So guys, yeah, we have the jar. Yeah, the blender jar, and this is 2.5 liter. 2.5 liter. So I said, let me go with this. I went with this 2.5 liter Kenwood blender. So with this, I can make my beans ball, I can make my moi moi, my charcoal nuts, I can grind everything, my tomatoes, because this blender, today I'm using it because I want to make jollof rice and stew for the family. So I'm going to use this blender. I'm going to try it out to see how it tastes. Yes, and I'll still get back to you guys about it. So this is this from this thing. You can see that this thing is solid. Can you see it? Hey guys, can you see it? I think it is solid. So I pray I get to enjoy. I pray I get to enjoy this blender. So this is it. This is it. And the blade. One thing about this blade, wow, it is strong, solid. No wonder. So I go feel just this no feel gram bottle. We'll get to find out. So guys, this for the wet ingredients, and this one we have in here is for the dry ingredient. Like I was talking about my pepper soup, love that of pepper soup. Your dry ingredients, egusi, ogbono, all those stuff. You can use this particular one. This thing is solid. I love it. Yeah. And the blade also inside this place, the blade also is very, very strong. So for my 800 milliliter, yeah. So for my, you can see everything is solid. So I'm not gonna stress myself grinding or heating my seed for my pepper soup again, even on bono. If I want to make a quick soup, I could just use this anything. My dry ingredients. Yes. So this is when the just I'm gonna let them rest. I don't think so. So these are the two jars we have inside it. The wet and the dry. The wet and the dry. You can see the two. This is 2.5 liter. I contain 2.5 liter, and this is for my dry ingredients. So and this is the manual, the machine. This is for it. So like if I want to use it now, you can see, I don't know if you're seeing it. Just on here and control it here. But if I don't want to on here, I can just use this switch and to blend my stuff. That's it. Very, 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 very strong. So I'm going to try it out. The model is Kenwood model, voltage 220 to 240 voltage, and the power volt is 9,000 watt, and the capacity is 2.5 liter. So let me try out this and see how it goes. I pray I get to enjoy it, and I pray it get to last. So I don't know if you have or you have been using this particular product of Blender. You can still help me drop your review, and let's see together. And this blender, I got it for, how much is it again? For, is it 55 or is it 60? In between 60 and 55. So we got it for amount. So I don't know, in between 50, I don't know, but I'll get back. So this was the range I got it for. So I'm going to try it out today to make to blend my tomatoes and see, and also fruits today. So stick with me guys, and thank you. So guys, like I said, today we are going to use this blender. So here is me, my raised tomatoes, and this is the blender. So let's try it out and see how the process will be. Like my tomatoes, I don't like it that smooth, very smooth. So let's watch if the sound of the blender is gonna be too much. Remember, this is a multifunctional blender. So guys, let's try it out and see. Like I said, this is the blender, this is tomatoes. So let's go. Right now I'm putting in the tomatoes. See? Yeah, my hands. So I'm going to blend it for 45. I'm going to bit by bit. Let's just. Okay. This is amazing. Wow. Wow. This is it. Kind of like my tomatoes being too smooth. Hey, God, I love this. I love this. Really? Really? So let me turn this out. Turn this out. Wow. I just turn this out. Like, not too much pressure. And I set it at one, the medium speed was placed at one, just one medium speed. And the tomatoes is, wow. Thank you, my lollipop. Thank you for watching. And if you watch up to this time, you are the real VVIP. Please turn on the notification bell to get notified when we drop new amazing things. And if you're yet to subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and share. Bye, and I love you guys. Mwah.